it's Kate with WTI, and this is a trash can worth talking about. This is an automatic trash can from SYNCVIBE. It is a nice small size, perfect for a bathroom. I love that I can be hands-free. Being able to just hover over your trash can and have it open for you is a game changer. I like the shape, I like the color. It's nice and simple, so it will blend in with whatever your style is. It has this ring where you can insert your bag. It comes with a roll of bags, which is really nice too. They stay in place well. I don't find that the trash can opens randomly. You have to hover right above the sensor that's here on the left side. So even if you have pets just walking by, it won't activate the sensor. Super easy to use. You just throw in some batteries and you're good to go. It's not something you're using all the time, so the batteries last a very long time. It's nice and wipeable, easy to wash if you happen to have a spill. So if you're looking to step up your trash game and bring it to the next level, I think you'll be thrilled with this trash can, and that's my point of view.